Once upon a time, there were three best friends named Lily, Tom, and Jane. They grew up in a small town where everyone knew each other and were always supportive of one another. Lily loved to sing and had a beautiful voice. Tom was passionate about soccer and was the captain of the local team. Jane was a smart and dedicated student who always excelled in her studies. One day, Lily received an invitation to sing at a big concert in the city. She was ecstatic and couldn't wait to share the news with her friends. However, when she told Tom and Jane, they both became a bit disappointed. Tom had recently injured his leg, and Jane was struggling with keeping up with her schoolwork. Both of them thought that they would not be able to attend the concert with Lily. Lily didn't want to go alone, but she also didn't want her friends to miss out on such an amazing experience. She thought of a plan to help her friends. Lily asked Tom to help her prepare for the concert by coaching her with soccer drills, and she offered to tutor Jane with her studies. In return, they both promised to support her at the concert. The three friends worked hard to overcome their challenges. Tom's leg healed with time, and he became a better soccer player with Lily's help. Jane's grades improved, and she felt more confident in her studies with Lily's tutoring. Lily's singing became even better with Tom and Jane's support and feedback. Finally, the day of the concert arrived, and the three friends traveled to the city together. Lily sang beautifully on stage, and Tom and Jane cheered her on from the audience. They were proud of their friend and happy to have overcome their challenges together. After the concert, the three friends went to a nearby restaurant to celebrate. They talked about their struggles and how they overcame them together. Tom said he was grateful to have Lily's support and to have discovered a new talent for coaching. Jane thanked Lily for her tutoring, which helped her catch up in school and increase her confidence. Lily expressed how much their support meant to her and how much she appreciated their help. The three friends realized that true friendship means being there for each other through thick and thin. When we work together and help each other, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. They learned that supporting each other through their challenges made their friendship even stronger. In the end, Lily, Tom, and Jane continued to be the best of friends, and they always supported each other in everything they did. They looked back on this experience with fondness and were proud of how they had come together to overcome their obstacles. The moral of the story is that friendship is not just about having fun and enjoying each other's company. It's also about supporting each other through the ups and downs of life. When we help each other and work together, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way.